India's chip story just hit a major milestone. Mysuru-based Kaynes Semicon is on track to become the first company in India to produce packaged semiconductor chips just by July 2025. This isn't just a company win, it's a big leap forward for the India Semiconductor Mission 1.0. Let's break down what's happening. Kaynes Semicon received cabinet approval in September 2023 to set up an OSAT facility, that's outsourced semiconductor assembly and test. The facility was set up in Sanand, Gujarat. This was backed by 3,307 crore INR investment, with 50% from the centre, 20% from the Gujarat government, and the rest by the company itself. And now, the pilot line is almost ready. Machinery and clean rooms are expected to be fully installed by early May. Qualification testing starts in June, and the first chip samples will be delivered to Alpha and Omega Semiconductor in USA in July. CEO Raghu Panikkar told ET that it has signed a multi-year definitive agreement with Alpha and Omega, who will consume almost 60% of Kaynes' capacity in phase 1. The facility will produce 6.3 million chips per day. These aren't just chips. We are talking about 12 different power packages, including IGBT, IPM, and Power MOSFETs, which are crucial for sectors like EV, satellites, air conditioners as well. And Kaynes is not just stopping here. The company has already lined up 4 more customers across Japan and the USA. A second customer announcement is expected soon. It is also expecting a PCB factory in Tamil Nadu and planning new semiconductor-linked projects in Odisha and Madhya Pradesh as well. This news puts Kaynes far ahead of the semiconductor race in India. While companies like, say, Micron and Tata Electronics have received approvals for chip plants, their commercial output timelines are still at least a year away. Tata Electronics, for instance, is setting up a semiconductor fabrication facility and OSAT unit approved in February 2023, while Micron's ATMP plant was cleared in June 2023 but delayed to early 2025. So what does this mean for India? A new era of domestic semiconductor packaging, an ecosystem that moves beyond just importing and gets into self-reliance. A proof that India's semiconductor mission is not just about headlines anymore. It's about hitting the real milestones. So keep your eyes on July 2025, because that might just be the month where India says we have packaged our future locally. And when it hits July 2025, where will you find the news first? Right here at AIM TV. Because we bring to you all the real-time live updates and the success stories which are truly Indian right here. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tell us how you enjoyed this video, and for all things tech and AI, keep watching this space, because think AI, think AIM.